Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add products to Shopify from Aliexpress. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to myshopify.com. Once you are in the internet browser or over at the website, make sure you log into your account as well. Once you are here, this time you're going to click on Apps on the left side of the screen. Once you click on it, you will now be redirected to the search bar with Apps as the header. And then you are going to search for Ali. Now, click on the first option that appears so that you will be redirected to another internet browser or another tab. Once you are here, you will be going to Shopify App Store. And then in here, using the search bar once again, search for Aliexpress. Now click on the first option that appears. Once you are here, you will need to scroll down, and then you're going to be looking for Aliexpress. This will be named Ali Dropship, Aliexpress Drop. Click on it, and then in here, click on the button that says Add App. It's colored in black, so it's not hard to miss. Once you are here, you will now be redirected once again, and then you will just have to click on Install App. It's a button on the upper right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.